The gifts of nature. Main vocabulary. Listen, point, and say. Sunlight, water, soil, minerals, fossil fuel, wind. Extra vocabulary. Treasures, natural resources, nature, oil, natural gas, company, wheat, fertile, delta region, gold, iron, jewelry. Expressions and phrases. Talk about, work for. Is or are used to plus infinitive. Many kinds of. Along the Nile. As well. Conjugation of verbs. Regular verbs. Present. Talk. Past. Talked. Name. Named. Provide. Provided. Contain. Contained. Irregular verbs. Present. Know. Past. New. Find. Found.